my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be grilling. And let me know if you think I should grill next time in a green tutu. If you know, you know. If you don't, you don't. Axel, you ready? Okay, come here. Let me show you what I'm going to be making today. We're going to be grilling for a 4th of July. We got smashable
beef sliders.
We got our fresh Italian sausages.
Yeah.
And our hot dogs.
Hot dogs.
We also have cheese and black pepper. We got fine garlic powder. And we got some pink salt. Kind of weird. Uh-oh. We even got some flippin' Pam. You can't go without Pam, you know? You can't go. Smells like Pam too. We got more garlic powder because we can't go without just this garlic powder. And we got salt-free vegetable seasoning. It's not a bomb, it's seasoning. We even got cheese. All kinds of good cheese, as you can see here. What kind of cheese is that?
I opened that, so don't tip it over.
Oh. We got Cracker Barrel. 48 cracker cuts. Variety pack. There it is. We got pepper jack, cheddar jack, that word, and extra sharp cheddar. It's awesome, man. It's Cracker Barrel. So you know it's good stuff. I've got my tools here, and let's go over here to the grill. Come on, come here. Come on. All you need is a small $60 old school charcoal grill.
It was free though.
Right here we have our aluminum foil for this sucker. Right here. That's what we're going to be cooking on. All right. So let's get into it. All right, y'all. We're going to start out with the brats. These magical little wieners right here. So I'm going to take these. We're going to throw them on that. So let's go over here. Come on. Come on.
Yeah.
Stand right there.
Yeah.
Are we good? Okay. Ready?
You gotta grab.
I meant to do that. Alright. Ooh, yeah. What I'm talking about right there. Just getting quiet in. Kind of warm. You feel that? Feel the warmness? Feel the warmness of the grill? Feel how spicy she gets? Okay, now we're gonna close it. Kind of hot. Gonna lock it for safety reasons. All right, y'all.
Hunter, you gotta.
We'll put this right here.
You gotta open it.
Take this. Put that right there. Well, we'll be back. Now give me a second. All right, y'all. Now I'm gonna open up the grill, and I'm gonna move our brats to the side, and I'm gonna put our wieners on there so we can get that nice charcoal flavor in there. All right.
There you go.
So let's take the Axel. Would you mind holding this for me?
Weenie.
Thank you. Don't drop my wieners now. All right.
Why don't you just put it down on the grill?
Ooh, what's hot? It's flaming. Move these kind of more to the side here.
Side, go to the side.
Don't want to flip them yet. Just gonna fall out my hand.
Yes, on the side. Oh, piece of weenie.
Oop.
You can put our weenies on now.
Yeah, here. Give that to me. Where's my plate at? Don't you have my plate?
Oh yeah, that's the plate.
Well, bring it over here. Okay, hold it with both hands so you don't drop it. Now here, let me get my... No, don't do that. 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 Don't do that.
I don't problem.
Oh. Hold on. Okay, just hold the plate. Come on me. Nope. Okay. Alright there. Okay, now we're going to close it and we'll come back and flip those.
Weenies.
Alright, y'all. So when we was on break, I flipped the brats and kind of moved everything around to make some room for the hamburgers. So I'm going to go ahead and season these suckers. So let's go. We're going to season them with our salt-free vegetable seasoning. Or pink salt. I'm trying to say that correctly. Himalayan. Yeah, Himalayan pink salt. And our black pepper. So, let's do it. This stuff pours out fast, so I'm going to pour it in my hand, and you'll do that little. Alright, because I'm like that, okay? So we're going to start with our vegetable seasoning. Oh, wait, no, it opens it. No, I don't even flipping it. I'm going to put some in my hair right here. Just going to go.
You don't need to do that.
My
with
hands are
that
too
one.
sweaty. It sticks to my hand.
Oh,
I'm
it's
just going
not.
to pour, okay. I'm just going to pour that there. I knew that. I was just making sure that you still knew. Look at that. Oh. That's alright. That's okay. I'm good over here now.
Be generous.
I know, I'm giving it. It's clogged. There we go. No tax on hamburgers. Alright. So now we're gonna... Something walking behind me. Now we're gonna start with our pink Hawani pink salt. Himalayan pink salt. That's what I said the first time. Alright, so my hands are sweaty, so I don't know how I'm gonna do this. It sticks to my hand. I'm just gonna be slow about it, alright? I'm just gonna be real fabulous with it, okay? There we go. Just get the pink salt right there. Ooh.
Oh my. A little less generous with the salt.
Ah.
Oh my goodness.
What? I'm being slow about it. Okay? Ooh, yeah. Can you, like,
Down.
you're getting in my personal space here. There we go. We put Himalayan pink salt on it. Now we've got our black pepper.
A lot. On that one.
Yeah, we got a lot of black pepper. And this. What do you mean? A lot of what?
Yes. Salt on that burger's got a lot of salt.
It's gonna be salty. It's gonna be salty. Now I love pepper. So we're gonna sprinkle some good pepper on here. There we go. Marca. Did you sneeze?
Yep.
Look at that. Look. Flipping biblical right there.
That's weird.
Now?
Did you put garlic on there?
No. I don't want to put a lot of garlic on there. Let's sneeze. Ready? I'm gonna be good at this, okay? Look at that. Oh. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Look at that. That's beautiful right there. Gotta speed it up here so I don't burn my wieners. Alright, my wieners are still in there. They're getting fried, okay? You don't want a burnt wiener. A burnt wiener's bad luck. Look at that. Alright, y'all. So, on break, I seasoned the other side, so don't remember to season your other side. And I also got a beautiful...
I said don't remember to season your other side.
Don't remember to season your other side. Did I say do you remember to season your other side?
You said don't remember.
Don't
You want them to
do remember to season your other side. Bug went up my nose. We got our brats out as well when we was on break. So let's hurry up and put these big old things on there right now. Wow. That was my personal space. Alright, ready? I'm gonna name this one Ted. Ooh. Now here's Ted's brother. Here's Ted's sister. Here's Ted's mother. Here's Ted. Backflip. Ooh, there we go. Woo. There's Ted's. Was that his mother or his dad? Huh. That was his. It's Ted's uncle. It's Ted's. Oh, Ted fell. And this is a homeless guy. There we go. We did it. Now I'm gonna close this. We'll come back, flip them, and yeah, we got hamburgers. Chop, chop. All right, y'all. We're going to take these hot dogs off and put more of the hamburgers on. Hamburgers on. So let's do this. Let's get these wieners here. Oh, get back here, little boy. Put them back here. Ooh, sizzling.
Sounds like a rattlesnake.
Done burnt myself. Ow. Oh, I almost dropped my wiener. We flip and go. Like, that's, oh! I almost lost all my wieners. Now we're gonna put the rest hamburgers on. We season these babies up. Okay. So, Sam's brother, Sam's sister, Sam's truck, Sam's tractor, Sam's house, ooh, Sam's money, and then Sam's wife, because she takes it all. Oh, there we go. Sam's weed eater blew up last week. Okay guys, we're gonna smash them a little bit, flatten them a little bit, because it helps cook them through a little bit faster and better. So, ooh, let's, not too much, but not too little. We're gonna smash these a little bit, alright? That one needs a little bit more. There we go. Oop, that one came back up. Try not to smash them too hard now. But I want my burgers to cook. I'm hungry. I get in a bad mood when I'm hungry. Okay, That's what I'm talking about. We just did that. Wow, got violent in there, mate. He also lost his push mower because his wife broke up with him and took his push mower and just having a bad day. All right, y'all. Now we're gonna get this onion. Now don't try this at home, y'all. Disclaimer: don't be cutting anything without a parent, okay? I'm a trained individual. Here we go. We're gonna be cutting this onion. We're gonna go right here. We're gonna. Ooh, I'm losing control over. Idiot. Okay. Now we're gonna get this little thing right here. Right here. Ooh. Good enough. Okay, now I'm gonna peel this outer layer skin off of our mushroom or onion. Looks like a mushroom. Because where's my? There you go. So, I don't have nails. I can't flip them. There we go. Lord.
You like went low on me for a second. I had you out of the shot with that.
Give me a second.
Camera magic.
Okay, y'all. I got it. It took me a little while. My eyes hurt. Now we're gonna cut our mushroom. Our onion. I'm gonna start right here. We're gonna go. Yeah. Again, disclaimer. Don't do this without parent. It's a deadly weapon.
Lay it down. Now on the flat side. What the?
Alright. That's how we're cooking onion. This is how we cook it. I want to put it in my eye. Okay.
I know that was a spicy onion.
Oh yeah. What am I doing again?
Good, go flip your hamburgers.
Oh! Let's go flip our hamburgers. Come on. I'm swinging the knife around. I can't be doing that. Okay, guys. My eyes still hurt. Oh, no leaks. We're going to flip these hamburgers. Okay. Wow. My eyes hurt. Okay. Ready? Let's do this. Oops. See how professional I just did that? See how juicy and ooh. I feel like I'm vaping. Breathe air. You don't need a vape. Ain't those good looking? Look at those.
They look like meatballs.
I know.
But
They're not.
we got slider buns anyway.
I know. They don't really look like a hamburger, don't they? More like balls, like meatballs, like you said. What? I thought they were attached. I thought those two were going to be attached. Smoking! Did I turn this one yet? I don't think so.
Move them all kind of over just slightly.
Alright.
Because those ones aren't on the hottest of the coals. That's fine. Let it sit how it sit.
Have a what?
I don't know.
Perfect. This one.
Toes. On the right side. The far right. Yeah. No, moving inward.
You're a bully. Like that? There we go. Now we need flipped. We just did that stuff. Okay, y'all. We're back to get these off. And his wife took all his money. Y'all, we had to take a quick snack break. Look at all these. These are homegrown. Come on. Come on. Run, come on. Look how big my berries are, y'all. You wish your berries were as big as these. Look how big they are. Now I ain't gonna eat them because we got chemicals on. I gotta go wash them. But look how big my berries are. Come here, come to this one over here. Look at all these. Look at the plant. Not this one, but this one over here. Not that one here. Come here, over here. This one right here. Look at all these. They're new, that's why they look. And it's been hot out. Oh yeah, here's another berry bush. See how big my berries are? You wish your berries were this big. Come on. Okay, now we're gonna gotta get the hamburgers. Let's go, y'all. Come on, let's go. Hey y'all. Now we're gonna get hamburgers, okay? Because how big my berries are, we had to run out there and get a quick break. You wish they were that big. Oh, mama. Okay. There's.
Oh my God.
It's okay. I'll eat that one. There's that one. Okay, come on, y'all. It was because I was bragging about my berries. Karma came and got me. All right, y'all. All right, y'all. Oh, yeah. Look at that. What the flip? No, stop. No, what the flip?
Don't put that back on there.
I want.
That can go to the dogs.
Okay. I'll hold this one tightly. Wow. See, now it's all tense. When I pick them up, I'm all tight, you know? I gotta make sure they don't drop anymore.
I'm about to drop this whole thing.
Okay, ready? There. We made it. We only dropped one. Maybe two, but we don't need to talk about that part. Okay. She also took his car. And now he's homeless. Well, no, he took his house, too. Well, she took his house. He wasn't gay. Alright, everybody. Look at it. I haven't got my blueberries, my strawberries right there. Now, let me know how you guys eat your guys' hamburgers now. I'm gonna try one of these blueberries. Now, thinking about homegrown, they're actually good. They're actually healthy for it too. And, oops, got grass on it. They're sour. It's like everything homegrown is sour. Leach, what do you want? Strawberry. That is awesome. Well, hope you guys liked my video now. I'm gonna eat this meal. And he lost his car, his house, his four-wheeler's gone, flipping. Yep. Do you guys eat it with a tutu?